Winston and Felix here, and Tom Lee famously just predicted a $15,000 S&P 500. So I dug into his research. Well, Winston did the digging, I did the reading, and I'm about to unveil to you his #1 stock. But first, let's understand why the stock is poised to ride the AI wave to unprecedented highs. I will also show you the latest dark pool trades on this very stock and how you can access that information yourself free of charge. So Tom Lee, if you didn't know, is the managing partner and head of research at Fundstrat Global Advisors. He has a track record of making bold and sometimes accurate market predictions. His latest forecast, the S&P 500 hitting 15,000 by 2030, driven by the explosive growth of AI. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, from healthcare to finance and from retail to manufacturing. AI is the driving force behind innovation and efficiency. But which company is at the forefront of this revolution? To understand the potential, let's look at some key AI projects that are shaping the future of this stock. These projects are not just about cutting-edge tech, they're about creating real-world solutions that drive growth and profit margins. One company stands out with its diverse portfolio of AI initiatives. This company is investing heavily into AI research and development, with projects ranging from autonomous driving, and it's not what you're thinking, to advanced healthcare solutions. Now I've got you confused. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, where diseases are diagnosed with pinpoint accuracy, and where your home anticipates your needs before you even realize them. This is not science fiction. This is the future being built by our mystery company. Financially, our mystery company is a powerhouse. With a market cap in the hundreds of billions, it has the resources to invest in long-term AI projects. We've narrowed it down a bit now, haven't we? Its revenue from AI-driven products and services is growing exponentially, contributing significantly to its bottom line. But what makes this company truly special is its commitment to innovation. It has dedicated a massive AI research division, partnerships with leading universities, and a culture that fosters allegedly creativity and risk-taking. Not so sure about the last part, but that's what they said. Let's take a closer look at some of its top AI projects. First, we have project, we're going to give it away now, aren't we? DeepMind, an AI research lab that has made groundbreaking advancements in machine learning and neural networks. DeepMind's AlphaGo beat the world champion in a complex game of Go, showcasing the potential of AI to solve problems that were once thought to be unsolvable. And more recently, DeepMind's work on protein folding has the potential to revolutionize drug discovery and healthcare. I always thought folding was about napkins. Anyway, next we have AI in healthcare. This company, hopefully still a mystery to you, and therefore you will enjoy the hunt, is leveraging AI to develop tools that assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans, so kind of outsourcing the doctor. Don't tell the doctors. From detecting early signs of diabetic retinopathy, and I don't know what that means, but that's what they do, to predicting patient deterioration in hospitals. These AI tools are saving lives and reducing healthcare costs. 2 winners. Well, if you survive. And let's not forget autonomous driving. This company's self-driving car project is one of the most advanced in the world, with millions of miles driven in real-world conditions. And with AI at the wheels, these cars promise to make our roads safer, reduce traffic congestion, and provide mobility for those who cannot drive. I know there's some people who cannot drive. Winston can't drive. He'd like to be driven to certain mountains whenever he feels like it. And finally, we have AI and smart homes. This company has an AI-powered assistant, which is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, helping us manage our schedules, control our smart devices, and even entertain us occasionally. So we got voice-activated assistants, smart thermostats. All these devices are making our homes more efficient, more comfortable, and hopefully cheaper to run. So which company is behind all these incredible AI projects? It's time for the big reveal. And what is it? It is, of course, Google. Yes, and you probably guessed that, didn't you? But it was fun anyway, wasn't it? We should have done a countdown and all of that, but I thought let's just get to the point here. So yes, Google, or more accurately, Alphabet Inc., is Tom Lee's #1 stock. Now, with its diverse portfolio of AI projects and strong financials and lots of money being chucked at innovation, you can kind of see why. It's also underperformed some of its AI competitors, which is another reason maybe to bet on this one. It's done quite well, but I do think there are potential gains for the future that are tremendous, enormous, ginormous. And for investors looking to capitalize on AI, I believe Alphabet is a stock you don't want to miss. I mean, it's not financial advice, but that's what Winston said. But let's have a look at what Wall Street's doing with this. Is Wall Street agreeing with Tom Lee? And I am actually agreeing with Tom Lee here. Well, let's look at the dark pool trade. So you go over to tradevision.io and you sign up and you get yourself a free 1-month trial. It's 0 risk. That's probably the 0 risk thing you can do today. And then you type in Google. Google. Let's do Goog. See, does it really matter? I don't think it really matters. We can load both. Let's load both. And we get rid of Tesla because that would be silly. And what are we looking at here? We're looking at recent trades. And I'm recording this on a Monday, so the trades show up at 3 days old from Friday, but it shows you live during the trading day. And you see a lot of very, very large trades, right? Quite a few, at least. The largest ones being at $2.6 million here. No, actually $3.3 million. And what do you see? You actually see them mostly bearish. What are the bullish trades? They're going into September and December with simply buying call options. So there is some optimism there. And a lot of these bearish trades could be taking profits because the stock's done quite well. How do you know that? Very simple. Well, not that simple, but pretty simple. You look at what was the price point of the call option, say $100, and then you look at today's share price. If today's share price is higher than where the call option was, then they made a lot of money. Definitely. And therefore, they're taking profits. So all of these are actually below the current share price. So therefore, I believe these are all profit-taking. That one perhaps not. But all of these are profit-taking. But that's a buying a put. Yeah, so the calls at least are all profit-taking. So I do see this and I look at this every day when I set up trades and when I make investments, and it gives me a lot more insight than what everybody else sees out there because these trades don't show up on the stock market, right? They do them in private, in a private exchange, and we bought ourselves access to that data, and then we spread that high data cost across hopefully soon tens of thousands of people so we can bring better and better and better information and level the playing field for you and me against the bastards on Wall Street. So head over to tradevision.io, grab yourself a free trial and check out all your favorite stocks and see what are the recent trades and check them live. Like just check in on it once a day, see what's going on there and look for the big trades. They are the ones that give you the biggest indicator of what's actually happening there. If you enjoyed this video and a bit of hide and seek and this hunt for the biggest AI stock, then give this video 5 stars. Is that possible? No, but there is a button. And I thank you for watching. I thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one. Winston just said to me, Felix, do you think a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on this whole AI rally, picking the wrong thing and not realizing what stage we're in and how that's going to affect things? And I said, you know what, Winston? That's actually a really, really good idea. Let's walk people through that because the money is